sand mountain of sand.
टीबा बोलते हैं।
Tiba.
ये बता
In the village language, you can see these are also known as Tiba. Mitti ki Tiba.
ढूंढे बोलते हैं, ढूंढे।
And we can use them for making like
ये बोलते हैं,
you can say jhadu.
हीरोइन बोलते हैं।
अणकू बना भाई
You can see there are beautiful birds sitting out there.
ये देख सकते हैं, ये बच्चा बहुत, ये मौसी का लड़का है मेरा। इसका नाम क्या है? ऋतिक नाम है।
इसका नाम ऋतिक रोशन है।
अगर कोई लड़की कमेंट करेगी तो ये इसको सब्सक्राइब कर देगा। अगर किसी को ये पसंद है तो प्लीज कमेंट करिए।
This is the way you can see here.
एंड आप लोग इधर देख सकते हैं जो वाइट
And this is very beautiful area, and it is a fascinating, very fascinating scenario that we are facing. And yes, we are on the way, and the sand is, when we are walking on this, it gets deepened, and the movement of legs is very slow because of this sand structure, as it is wet. Along with it, it is also very, the air particles are in between, so when we are pressing on the sand, it get compressed. So look, and you can hear the sound of prayer, which is in the school, government school of this Bash Shekhawat village. And if I will reach some time, I will show you how it looks. And the way is closed. I think we have to walk a few steps or more. Let's go. Just wait and watch this vlog of natural surroundings. You can see that this is the beauty. What is beauty? Then I will answer. This is the actual beauty that we can see here. You can see how the sky looks here, and the T-bars, the mitti, how beautiful it is. The structure of sand is also very nice. That was the destination, and beyond which there is a road, and now we are going to move on that road after completing this way of sand. ओए जल्दी चलो, आगो रोड आगो. But still we have to travel more, like we have to travel 2 to 3 kilometers more to reach our destination. Calm Prabhu, how beautiful it is. When I was in my class 11 12, when I was in my school, I have never heard this prayer, but now in the village areas, in the government schools, you can easily hear this sound, and it is very prominent here. You can see the beauty of this village. I think I have no words about this beauty, but I will say more and more about this, how much I can speak about this beauty. You can see there is a natural road that has already been constructed by the village people. Like they travel through bikes, they travel barefoot, they travel for the farming purposes. So it is a natural way, and they are there, so they are walking very slowly. And my brother is also shooting this vlog because I don't know when we will come back here. So I think it is best to store this memory along with their phone at this time. And if you can see, I will show you the school. If you can see, that was the government school. Yeah, that was the government school. Yeah, in which the prayer is going on. Let's go. And the way we are going through this way will also go from that school. And if you want to see, I can show you the school more closely and more properly. Let's go but I'm waiting for my cousins and my brother. They are coming. Yeah, let's wait for that for them. You can see the beauty. You can see the sound, the chirping sounds of birds. The mental peace you will find here will not be anywhere because it's village, and you can see in villages there the development is at a very low pace, and it is, I think, good for villages because if everything will be developed, then natural peace, natural surroundings will get disturbed. If we will construct or if for say let's say if there will be a road, then how it looks, there will be no birds, and the natural sound will not hear. So it is very important for villages to have development but at a very low pace because it's good for villages, because in villages you will find very less pollution or nil pollution, because there is no use of like there is no factory, there is no more cars, more trucks that will produce pollution. So it is very important for them. I think there is some animal because I am smelling something very odd or different. Chalo. The national anthem is going on, and I think we should respect that. I think we should respect our national dignities and national songs and anthem because they are the pride of our country. I forget that the national anthem is going on, and suddenly when I realized, I started standing straight and not moving in my position. Bharat Mata ki Jai! Let's go. We are very close to our destination. Not the actual destination, but to the school that I will be showing you at first.